Hey folks, so this is something we've done before, and I'll tell you, I use this when I do shopping a lot. I do a lot of proportions. So let's take a look at our first question here. Um, these two rectangles are similar. Which proportion could you use to solve? So look at this. So I'm going to call this the little rectangle, and that's the big one. Here we have the little to little, 4 over 15. And then we jump to like left side, bottom, but then we jump bottom to the left side for this first proportion. So that's wrong. And if you recall, in class, I always said be consistent. Left, bottom, it should be left, bottom. So we know this guy right here has got to be wrong. This is no good. All right, let's go to B then. Here we have little to big, okay, and then we go from big to little. So let's start it over again. 4 to x, little to big, big to little. That does not make sense. So that's no good. Let's try this one here. Left side and then the bottom. Bottom to the left side. Again, that is not being consistent. Whoops, sorry about that. So that guy's wrong. Let's look at this last one. Little to little, left side to bottom, big to big, left side, bottom. Yay! That's going to be the correct one right here. So, as I said before, just be consistent. All right, on our next problem. They told us these two are similar, so I could do top to top, and I'll tell you, that's where I'm going to get my scale factor. Or maybe somebody else wanted to do bottom to bottom, like that. I'm going to stick to top, and when I take 10 over 15, guess what? It reduces to 2 over 3. And now I'm going to take the legs of this trapezoid, and again, if I start with 10 over 15, that reduces the 2 to 3. I'm doing little to big, little to big. So I do 8 over x. Cross multiply, I get 24 here equals 2x, divide by 2, and you get a 12. All right, our next question. All we're asked to do is find the scale factor. So, as you can see with this guy, I need to flip this over the y-axis so it looks like that. And now I have my scale factor, 2 to 10, or if you wanted, you could have done 5 to 25. And both of those, 2 to 10 or 5 over 25, they both reduce to, whoops, sorry, I grabbed the wrong thing. They both reduce to 1/5. So that would be the scale factor. We have to line up the corresponding sides. Okay, and finally, this last one here, well, I need to make a proportion. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this guy, give it a little spin, and now left side, bottom, bottom. And that's a proportion. I'll do big to big, little to little. And let me pull my proportion in so you can see that. I'm doing 72 over 12 and 18 over x. And when you cross multiply, x turns out to be a 3. So what I'd like you to do is finish up the rest of class kick. You're going to do question, and I'll show it to you. 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's all we're doing for today, folks. A nice, easy day. You guys take care. Bye-bye.